What's good, everybody? How's it going? This is your boy Jovenel back here with another modification that I'll be doing to the car today. This right here. So these are called paddle shifter extensions. I wanted to get these long time ago, but you know, my car was messing up. Finally able to get a couple stuff that I wanted on the car long time ago. I'm talking like a year ago. And now, since my car ain't messing up anymore, fingers crossed, knock on wood, if there was wood, this is it right here, and we're going to install it very easy. All you have to do is just remove the red 3M cover, sticker cover or whatever, and then you just slap it on there. Let me just remove it out of here, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks. These are it right here. It comes with two. It comes with a plus, and then it comes with a minus. Very simple. All you have to do is remove the 3M red sticker cover. We're basically gonna slap them on the paddle shifters right here, giving it a more and a new aggressive look. I like it. So another thing about these V2 reflector lights is that when you're pressing the brake, they do this animation when you let go of the brakes, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I mean. I just noticed this, so, which is pretty cool. What you guys think about that? Do you guys think that's corny, or do you guys think that's pretty cool? I think it's cool because it goes with, it literally goes with the car. I mean, I guess that's why they made the V2. The V2 taillights can match the V2 reflectors. Makes sense. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let me see if you guys could see the third brake light that I did. But I'm gonna show you guys that I still got the third brake light on top of the window. Pretty cool, huh? And they do still work. Over here, I want to show you guys the paddle shifters. So there it is, people. What you guys think? Do you guys like that, or do you guys like it stock? Personally, I love it. It makes the car more sporty. What you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, please. Back here with another video today. Hopefully I could get it done before it gets dark outside. So in this box right here, I was fortunate enough to find somebody who was selling the Mishimoto oil catch can. That's what we're gonna be installing on this car today. I should have bought this oil catch can a long time ago. I was in beef for spending like $220, $250 for this oil catch can, and I was on eBay the other day. Found somebody who was selling it for very cheap. They were moving on to the 2.0. I was able to snatch this out, and we're gonna be installing it today. And we got another surprise on Monday, which I'll be videoing. And there's gonna be another video that I'll be making on Wednesday. Your boy is finally getting some wheels on this car. I got tired of the sport, so we're about to switch it up. Hopefully you guys will like these wheels, because I know the last wheels that I had, nobody liked them. Only a few wheels are now on my Mazda RX-8. Two of those wheels are cracked. So Monday we're going to be putting brand new wheels on this car. I'm excited. I can't wait. I'm not exactly sure where the oil catch can goes. I gotta look up a video on how to install it. I'm pretty sure my dude, Honda Mobile Mechanic, has a video which I watched before. Hopefully I can find it on his YouTube channel. I'm just gonna check that out and see how you install it from there. So I'm gonna try finding a spot where I could, you know, place this. Know that my engine bay is very dirty. I'm gonna clean it up soon, so regard all this dust and debris all inside the engine bay, we're gonna get that fixed. So here it is. We got the 2 hoses right over here. We have the bracket. We have the 2 hose inlet, and all right, so this bracket right here is gonna be placed over here in these 2 bolts that go right here. So we're going to have to remove these 2 brackets first, and then this comes off, and then we're gonna have to put this bracket. We're gonna have to take out these 2 10mm bolts and then place this bracket over there. So let me go ahead and take my 10mm out. I said this is not gonna, it's kind of gonna be a how-to, but it's really not, because there's a lot of people that done this already, and I have there was really no reason for me to do it, because there's people that already done it. Alright people, so the oil catch can is mounted in its place right now. So now I gotta just install these 2 hoses. Where are they? Right there. And then we're good to go. Oh yeah, I do gotta put this bracket back on there. But yeah, other than that, we're good to go.
Toyota Prius, but think you a Mercedes. You must be out your mind. To everything you could play me. Bitch, I start on the squad, so don't you ever trade me. And I wasn't surprised that day that you betrayed me, cause none of these hoes ain't mine, but the world is. When I come around, your bitch get swept up in my whirlwind. And niggas ain't friend of mine, but they wanna act like they my kin. I'm too focused on these fucking Benjamin.
Alright people, it's getting pretty dark right now, so but I was able to finish it up. As you guys can see right there, the oil catch can is finally in, and yes, this is the Mishimoto oil catch can. Let me rephrase that. And we got that in tightly secured, and I hope this actually works. I haven't seen reviews on this yet, but hopefully they're good reviews. So can't wait to check that out. And now we're gonna be doing another mod. So now that we're done with the oil catch can, we're going to fast forward Monday, and the wheels are going to arrive, and we're going to install it that Monday. We're gonna see how that looks, and I'm gonna try to seeing if I could get some drone footage. We'll see from there. I'm actually gonna bring the drone out before it gets too dark, and we're gonna try looking at this sunset over there. So let's get it.